Namaste. This is the assignment 1.3 of Verilog under the Agimus Technology Internship in the Xilinx Spartan 6 platform. Now we are going to build the BCD to 7 segment converter or BCD to 7 segment. So for that, I already just write this code. I'm going to explain that. So this is the BCD to 7 segment, and here the module that will going to use ABCD as the input, because it is like 4 bit 4-bit BCD binary number BCD2, then 7 segment. We need 4 bits for the input. So this A is the MSB and D is the LSB. And here the output Y naught. It is like I'm going to show that now. What is this? This is our BCD to 7 segment truth table. Here what it will going to do means when I give 0 0 0 0, that is my BCD, and here it has to give the output as like this. Why it is like this means when we see here in BCD we have like in 7 segment we have like the LEDs, the 7 LEDs A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So here there are the 7 inputs for these LEDs. Now what we have to do means whenever I give 0 0 0 0, all the zeros, here we can see that whenever I I'm going to show that. So here is that. So whenever I give 0 0 0 0, it has to give the power supply. That means the output for all these A to F as 1 and G as 0, so that we will going to get A and A, F, B, C. All these things are 1, so we are getting like 0. The middle one is not there. If middle one is there, then it is going to be 8. But in if we see here we can see it is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. For 8 it is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. That means all the LEDs has to glow. That only we have to do here. When we simplify this, it is like for getting the output is this A. I just call this A as a Y naught, because it will going to confuse. So Y naught, Y1, Y2, like that. So for Y naught, what we have to do means we need to OR. That means we need to add this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, like that, which with respect to this our input. That means here first of all we need to create something wires like this is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, and here A bar, B bar, C bar, D, like that. And wherever 1 is there, that we need to take this as the input. You're going to clarify here. Here what I did means I just defined these wires, and here not of A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Then here what I did means here you can see this is A bar, A1 bar, this is my output. Just simply that means intermediate output. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. What I did means from here I just started from here A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, then A bar, B bar, C bar, D, like that. I just write here. Here you can see A bar, B bar, C bar, D, and like that. This is for 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 I think this is 0 1 2 3 4 then 5 6 7 8 9. I think this is not required. We will just check here what is that last thing. Here we want 9 0 to 9 we want 1 0 0 1, that is the 9. So here we have that. This is 5 1 2 3 4 5, that means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Till 9 we have. Then this is our output, the Y naught, Y1, Y2, like that. This is our output. Here what I did means, as I already told, with respect to here, wherever the 1 is there, here the 1 is there for this output Y naught. Here is 1 and here is 1 and here is 1. So and here all this one. So what it means with respect to this, I just write like this. I just took this intermediate outputs and these intermediate outputs that I used here. Okay, that I just used here. So okay, then in UCF file, here in the board, what is that? Yeah, these four DPIP switches that I used as the BCD input and output. Now it is like we are seeing in these LEDs only, these 7 LEDs. Here there are totally 8, but here 7 are used. I just tried with something like okay, this one. I just tried this something like this one for making the 7 segment, but it will going to consume more power, so we can't directly give this. It is not worked. I just checked it. So here that's why I just use these LEDs for output. So now what we have to do means in this, yeah, this is the ABCD, that is our this switches, that means DIP switches, and here these are all the output Y0 to Y6. Okay, because 7 segments, so Y0 to Y6. Then what I'm going to do means yeah, I just have to generate this. Yeah, it is already generated. Then I just want to upload this to the board. Okay, so for that, yeah, boundary scan, and yeah, here we can see that even too. I'm just going to split it if possible. I just split this. I think yeah, I think it's visible. Now I just need to right click and initialize scan. Yeah, it is detected, and I need to select this. Okay, it is BCD to 7 segment. Yeah, okay, where is that? Okay, BCD to 7 segment. This is no, and here okay, and here I just need to program this. So now it's programmed. Now we can see what it is giving. Like this means I just keep it like this so that we can able to understand it better. Okay, now here we have that image. Okay, here we have that. So here we can see 0 0 0 0. So what I'm getting means for this is my A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay, this last one is not there, only this much. So here all are 0 0 0. What I'm getting means I'm getting the output for all these LEDs. That means in 7 segment, if we compare with this with the 7 segment, then you can see this will going to provide us the 0 because the last one is not glowing. Okay, then comes this one. Okay, next one I'm going to just change okay, where is that? Yeah, this one to I'm just to make this as a 1. Okay, I just made that as a 1. So now the BCD input is 1, and here we are getting for B and C. Here we can see B and C is 1. B and C I'm getting. So when we compare that with B and C, I'm getting 1. Okay, 1. It's a straight line 1, and I'm just going to okay, now it is I just made these two. That means the value is 2 plus 1, that is 3. 3 I'm getting for A and B, C, D. Okay, so A, B, C, D, and middle one, that is the last one, that is the G. That means now it is like A, B, G, C, D, like this. It is 3. Okay, now if I give you something like yeah, not this one. Yeah, yeah, now we can see now this is 4 for 7. Okay, so 4, 5, 6 and 7. So for 7, if we just check here, what are the things we have to get? We just have to get for okay, we'll see here A, B, C. So A, B, and C, and G. Okay, like this 7. So yeah, the last one. I think you got about it. How to do the BCD to 7 segment in using this Spartan 6 or and the Verilog. Yeah, thank you.